In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track expenses in QuickBooks Online. Understanding how to effectively manage expenses in QuickBooks is crucial for maintaining an accurate financial overview of your business. From inputting new transactions to editing or reviewing existing ones, each step plays a vital role in keeping your financial data organized and up to date. So, let's dive in and simplify the process together. To begin tracking your expenses, you'll first want to navigate to the Expenses section. You'll find this option on the left-hand panel of your QuickBooks Online interface. Clicking on this will direct you to a new view, where you'll notice various tabs at the top. Here, ensure that you access the Expenses tab. This is where most of the action will happen. In this tab, you'll be greeted with a comprehensive list of all your expenses presented in a neat table format. This layout is quite intuitive, allowing you to quickly glance at the vital details of your financial transactions. You'll see columns for the date each expense was recorded, the type of transaction, and a unique reference number, often marked as No. The Payee column displays who or what the payment was made to, providing immediate context. You'll also note the category associated with each expense, which helps in identifying where your money is being allocated. Don't overlook the Total column, showcasing the amount spent for each entry. If you wish to delve deeper into any specific expense, simply click on the entry. Doing so will bring up more detailed information about the transaction. This feature not only enhances transparency, but offers you the flexibility to make adjustments if necessary. You can opt to edit the details, such as altering the payee or adjusting the amount, or take other actions like copying the transaction for future use, or voiding and deleting it if it was entered erroneously. Adding a new expense is straightforward. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice the New Transaction button. Clicking on it reveals a drop-down menu where you'll select Expense. A form will appear, prompting you to fill out details pertinent to this new transaction. Be sure to include the payee, the amount, and designate the proper category to ensure your records stay organized. Once you've confirmed all the information is accurate, don't forget the crucial step of saving your work. This action ensures your new expense is added to the list and reflects in your financial data. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple instructions, you'll find that managing and tracking expenses in QuickBooks Online is a breeze, empowering you to keep a vigilant eye on your business's financial health. I'm confident these skills will assist you in maintaining comprehensive and organized records as you move forward.